If your check engine light is on and you're seeing a P0340 code, don't panic. In this video, we'll break down exactly what this code means, what causes it, how to diagnose it, and how to fix it. Let's get started. Code P0340 stands for Camshaft Position Sensor Circuit Malfunction. This means your car's engine control module, or ECM, is having trouble reading the signal from the camshaft position sensor. This sensor is essential for your engine's timing. It helps the ECM figure out when to fire the fuel injectors and spark plugs. Here we know causes and fix of P0340. Start by using OBD2 scanner to confirm the P0340 code. Look for other related codes. Number 1. Faulty camshaft position sensor. The most frequent cause. Sensor could be internally shorted, have worn out electronics, or be completely dead. May intermittently work, especially when the engine is cold, hot. Use a multimeter. Check the reference voltage, usually 5V. Verify resistance or signal output per your service manual. Replace the sensor if it is out of spec or shows no signal. Number 2. Damaged wiring or connectors. Wires between the camshaft sensor and ECM could be frayed, corroded, pinched, burned. Broken or corroded connectors can prevent proper signal transmission. Check the camshaft sensor's wiring and connector. Look for corrosion, bent pins, oil contamination, or loose connectors. Repair or replace any damaged wiring or terminals. Number 3. Timing, chain or belt problems. A stretched or misaligned timing chain belt causes a mismatch between crankshaft and camshaft position, can trigger P0340 due to out-of-sync readings. If sensor and wiring are okay, inspect the timing belt chain. Listen for abnormal noises. Check for signs of slippage, stretch, or misalignment. Number 4. ECU software or internal failure. Rare but possible. A faulty engine control module might misinterpret correct signals or fail to process them. If all else checks out, have the ECU tested or reflashed with updated firmware. Replace it only if a fault is confirmed, last resort. Professional tip: if you are not getting results or lack testing tools, most mechanics can perform a cam-crank correlation test using an oscilloscope. This test shows if the sensors are sending the right signals at the right time. If you're not comfortable with electrical diagnostics, it might be time to call a trusted mechanic. And that's a wrap. P0340 might sound scary, but with a little patience and the right tools, it's often a simple fix. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more car repair tips, and drop a comment below if you've run into this issue yourself. Thanks for watching.